she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hello, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy!
Every time I go to the beach, I get inspired to make a nature craft. Today, the seagulls were squawking and swooping, and I laughed so hard when they snuck up and snatched my sandwich. Would you like to make some seagull crafts today with me, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Okay, step 1. Collect a few smooth, round, or oval rocks, approximately the size of your thumb. You'll also need some small pieces of driftwood and tiny shells and other treasures like sea glass.
I found some shell pieces and some driftwood.
Awesome! Take only what's abundant and only take a little. Okay, step 2. Cut a square piece from a cardboard box.
There's a piece for you. Thank you.
This will be the seascape for our seagull. So let's paint the sea and the sky.
This is so much fun.
That's it. Great work, Gumboot Kids. All right, now for step number 3. Once the paint is dry on your seascape, let's add some more features. You can glue on some driftwood, shells, even a little sand if you like. Take your time, and remember, there's no right or wrong way to make a nature craft. So have fun.
Looking good.
I've added some cotton clouds to mine.
I love it.
You can ask a big kid or grown-up for help with hot glue. Now add a smooth rock to the sky. This will be your seagull. You can draw or glue on eyes, then draw some wings.
This seascape reminds me of going to the beach with my grandma.
Okay, Gumboot Kids, now for the big reveal. Let's see what you've made.
I'm gonna give this to my grandma for a gift.
I'm really proud of mine. I love making nature crafts.
Your seagulls by the sea are lovely. You're all such wonderful nature craft makers. I'm gonna hang mine up to remind me of my day at the beach. Thanks for making crafts with me today, Gumboot Kids.
DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.